fact is, it is completely different from all the others because it is made for the comfort of the operator. The people who make your artisanal ice cream usually has a big problem in their back. Usually has artrosi, I don't know what to say.
Arthritis. Arthritis.
Quello. This fridge rotates automatically with movement of the feet, and you can have your ice cream and your test in front of you. So you remain standing, you don't do something like this, and you have no sickness. And it's very economical in terms of energy, because you know the cold remain in the low part of the fridge, and it doesn't lose energy. There are a lot of new concepts inside this fridge. This is a very technological object, but it is very interesting in beauty too, and it is designed by an Italian Japanese. So it's very interesting because these new companies, these new little medium companies are open to the design coming from all around the world. There is a lot of space. The example on your right, that's mine, is the symbol of the Leaf community. Leaf, you know what does it mean, but in reality is life, energy and future. There's a community in the middle of Italy with 6 apartments, a school, 2 production plant factories, and with a big research laboratory, and everything is zero emission and creates all the energy that the community needs. It's made from by a very little but very interesting company. The name is Lucioni, and but is a technological company, but is constantly researching new frontier for technologies in application for new buildings. This symbol, in reality, show you a different way to work in the nature. To create a new air-free, we don't need only to create new trees. First of all, we need to create a new concept in architecture. So all these apartments are constantly measured by machines, by sensor, and give you the awareness about your behavior, how you are just how are your consumption of energy, if you have to wait to switch on your lavatrice, you say,
washing machine.
Lo sapevo. And constantly create awareness, and you can change your behavior, and then you can create a new way to stay, to live in your house. This is the way, and this is a framework that shows you in this moment, in real time, what's going on in that house in Italy. So this is a system, reality. These are 2 different examples of the new design in Italy, of the new